let's look at stacking items. Now, stacking items is saying these items are similar enough in nature that I want to put them all together like a deck of cards, and I want to be able to open or collapse them when I need them. Let's start with this folder right here. Is there anything here that you would think lends itself toward a stack? I'll tell you what, let Organizer help us. Press Control-A, that's Command-A on a Mac, Control-A in Windows, and select one and right-click, and go down to Stack, Automatically Suggest, and it says, I ain't got a clue here, so struck out there. Let's click OK. Let's go to 4, right here. Let's do the same thing. Control-A, Command-A in Mac, Control-A in Windows. Do the same thing. Select one, right-click. Now, the way it does it is pretty cool. This is different than version 11. It gives us 2 ideas. It says these 2 images could probably go into a stack, and these 3 could probably go into a stack, but that's not all the images that were there. So before I say I agree, or not, click Unique Photos down here. Now, those are the ones that it did not see a reason to use. So I'm thinking, well, here's Ted again as a single, and I want all of his in one stack, so I think I'll drag him up. I'm overriding the control done by Organizer. And these 3 are all the party, so I'm going to put those in the other stack. Now, these don't want to use them, so I'm going to leave them alone. If I click Done, it doesn't stack them. You got to do it up here. Stack, stack, or unstack. Now click Done. We have more control over the visible area that we're working in. We have an icon up here that shows me the stack. If I click this button right here, I can open that stack. If I click it again, I can collapse that stack. Same thing with this one over here. If I right-click my mouse on it and go into Stack, I have more options now. In other words, I don't want them stacked anymore, so unstack them. Expand the photos in the stack, which is a lot easier to click that button than it is to come here, but there it is. Collapse, and you have something called Flatten the Stack. Now, what does that do? Well, understand what that does. If you say flatten the stack, it will throw away every single image in the stack except the one on top. Now, you do have one here as remove, so let's do this one right here. And we opened up that stack. Now, this one right here, she has her eyes closed. She is in a stack, though. But I don't want that one. So if I select her and then right-click and go into Stack, I can say remove that photo from the stack, or I can say set that one as the top photo. So if I collapse them now, that's the one that's on top. Working with stacks is no different than working with people, places, or events or albums. It's just one more tool that we can use to control all of our images inside of Organizer.